Welcome back to another MedRevisions video. Today we'll be discussing a May 2021 recall and also give you some helpful tips for the upcoming PLAB 1 exam. Okay, let's dive right into the video. Before we discuss the question, take 50 seconds to pause the video and comment the answer down below. Okay, let's get to the question now. So we have a 23-year-old girl who presents with chest discomfort, difficulty breathing, and an increased respiratory rate. She also complains of a tingling sensation in her fingers and toes. The patient has no medical history of significance. She appears somewhat concerned about her situation. What will be the likely result of her ABG, or arterial blood gas? So, the correct answer here is normal PaO2 and low PCO2. Okay, so before we discuss the other options, don't forget to smash that like button. Come on, you can do it! And also, comment down below on any other topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Make sure to also check out the reviews from our past PLAB 1 candidates. The link is in the description below. So we have some exciting news for you. Go check out our new update where we have our new study notes which you can study before you attempt the questions. And we also have our revision notes, which is the added new feature where you get the highlighted parts and the key points to make it easy for you to do your revision. And the other thing is, once you are done with the notes, you can attempt those particular questions that come under those notes separately, any section you like. So do check it out. Okay, so back to the question. So as I said before, the correct answer is normal PaO2 and low PCO2. So according to the clinical scenario, she is suffering from a panic attack, and the likely blood result would be, or the likely ABG would be a respiratory alkalosis. So the symptoms include difficulty breathing, chest discomfort, and the tingling sensation. They all point toward a panic attack. So the increased respiratory rate is because of the hyperventilation. That would result in the respiratory alkalosis, because carbon dioxide will be expelled with the hyperventilation, and therefore acidity will be low, and that would result in the alkalosis. So even though the PaO2 will be normal, because there's no real hypoxia here, PCO2 will be low. Although there's no hypoxia, the patient will feel like she cannot breathe properly. So this is a typical case of panic attack given the symptoms. Okay, so why not high HCO3 and low PCO2? This indicates metabolic alkalosis. That is why it's not correct. We can see metabolic alkalosis after vomiting or ingestion of an alkali substance. What about low pH and high PaCO2? So this indicates respiratory acidosis and not alkalosis. And COPD, intrinsic lung diseases, they can result in respiratory acidosis. The other option, low pH and low bicarbonate. So again, this is metabolic acidosis. That is the apparent picture, which can be seen after diarrhea. Okay, and the other option, high pH and normal PaCO2 and high bicarbonate. This also gives a picture of metabolic alkalosis, and we are looking for respiratory alkalosis. Okay, so I hope that cleared all of your doubts. That's it for this video. Also, make sure to check out our MedRevision platform for more questions like this and questions on other high-yield topics as well as rare topics. So head on to MedRevisions for that. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by MedRevisions, your go-to resource for PLAB Part 1. Complete your revision with MedRevisions.